seeds 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Almonds, 3 grams net carbs, 6 grams total carbs. Brazil nuts, 1 gram net carbs, 3 grams total carbs. Cashews, 8 grams net carbs, 9 grams total carbs. Macadamia nuts, 2 grams net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Pecans, 1 gram net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Pistachios, 5 grams net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Walnuts, 2 grams net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Chia seeds, 1 gram net carbs, 12 grams total carbs. Flax seeds, 0 grams net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Pumpkin seeds, 4 grams net carbs, 5 grams total carbs. Sesame seeds, 3 grams net carbs, 7 grams total carbs. Summary: nuts and seeds are heart healthy, high in fiber, and may lead to healthier aging. They provide 0 to 8 grams of net carbs per ounce. 11. Berries. Most fruits are too high in carbs to include on a ketogenic diet, but berries are an exception. Berries are low in carbs and high in fiber. In fact, raspberries and blackberries contain as much fiber as digestible carbs. These tiny fruits are loaded with antioxidants that have been credited with reducing inflammation and protecting against disease. 65 trusted source, 66 trusted source, 67 trusted source. Here are the carb counts for 3.5 ounces 100 grams of some berries: 68, 69, 70, 71. Blackberries, 5 grams net carbs, 10 grams total carbs. Blueberries, 12 grams net carbs, 14 grams total carbs. Raspberries, 6 grams net carbs, 12 grams total carbs. Strawberries, 6 grams net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Summary: berries are rich in nutrients that may reduce the risk of disease. They provide 5 to 12 grams of net carbs per 3.5 ounce serving. 12. Butter and cream. Butter and cream are good fats to include on a ketogenic diet. Each contains only trace amounts of carbs per serving. For many years, butter and cream were believed to cause or contribute to heart disease due to their high saturated fat contents. However, several large studies have shown that, for most people, saturated fat isn't linked to heart disease. In fact, some studies suggest that a moderate consumption of high-fat dairy may possibly reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. 72 trusted source, 73 trusted source, 74 trusted source. Like other fatty dairy products, butter and cream are rich in conjugated linoleic acid, the fatty acid that may promote fat loss. 23 trusted source. Summary: butter and cream are nearly carb-free and appear to have neutral or beneficial effects on heart health, when consumed in moderation. 13. Shirataki noodles. Shirataki noodles are a fantastic addition to a ketogenic diet. You can find them online. They contain less than 1 gram of carbs and 5 calories per serving because they are mainly water. In fact, these noodles are made from a viscous fiber called glucomannan, which can absorb up to 50 times its weight in water. 75 trusted source. Viscous fiber forms a gel that slows down food's movement through your digestive tract. This can help decrease hunger and blood sugar spikes, making it beneficial for weight loss and diabetes management. 76 trusted source, 77 trusted source, 78 trusted source. Shirataki noodles come in a variety of shapes, including rice, fettuccine and linguine. They can be substituted for regular noodles in all types of recipes. Summary: shirataki noodles contain less than 1 gram of carbs per serving. Their viscous fiber helps slow down the movement of food through